This is Gandalf. Gandalf the Grey. Hello, baby. He's a new guest here at Cap'n Kits. It took him about a day and then he acclimated just fine. He's eating normally, voiding normally. No problems to report. Loves to sit and look out his window at the birds as well as the parakeets when he's here in the playroom. Look at you stretching your neck way out there. Gandalf. Hi, handsome. Hello. Hello. Yes, look at you. Nice cat. Pretty face. Hi, Gandalf. Say hi to Mom and Dad. Yes. You're more interested in watching the birds and stuff, aren't you? Yeah. Look at you. You're a good baby, yes. You're a good baby. Oh, look at you. Who's a good baby? Yes. So don't worry about Gandalf, he's doing just fine. Gandalf. Hello. Hello.